Hello, children. A very good morning to all of you. How are you doing, children? I hope you all are doing well at home. Children, today I am going to teach you Standard 6 Social Studies, Chapter 2. Children, in my previous class, we already started this chapter, Yearly Man. In my previous class, we discussed about Stone Age, Paleolithic Age, and today we will discuss about Mesolithic Age. So children, let's start the chapter. Mesolithic Age or Middle Age, Stone Age lasted for a comparatively shorter period of time. At the end of Paleolithic Age, the climate grew warmer, which led to an increase in the variety of plants and animals. Hunting and gathering food became easier. This favored human survival. Under such conditions, the Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age began. And Mesolithic culture represents a wide variety of hunting, fishing, and food gathering techniques. In Mesolithic period, men started to make different types of tools called microliths. These were smaller, sharper, and more efficient than the Paleolithic tools. Scrapers, borers, hammers, sickles, and arrowheads were made. The bow and the arrow made it easy to hunt fast moving animals. Hooks and baits improved fishing. Microliths have been found at Adamgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Bagor, Rajasthan. Next, we'll discuss domestication of plants and animals. Domestication began in the Mesolithic Age. All processes by which plants and animals are brought under human control are together called domestication. Characteristics of this period were hunting and fishing settlements along rivers and on lake shores, where fish and mollusks were abundant. Mesolithic men discovered the food value of the seeds and certain grasses such as barley and wheat. He began to gather these for food. Seeds that fell at the time of gathering might have sprouted and suggested the magic link between seeds and plant. Men might then have experimented by dropping seeds into the soil and found plants growing. Man learned to tame some gentle animals such as dog, cow, goat, etc., and used them for his own benefit. Next, we'll discuss burials. Remains of human burials have been found at some Mesolithic sites. The dead were buried along with offerings such as food and ornaments, which probably pointed to their belief in an afterlife. The first houses. In Mesolithic age, humans made their own primitive houses, which were usually built in river valleys where there was plenty of water and fertile soil for growing crops. See children, this is a picture of houses of Mesolithic age. Next we will see Neolithic age. Neolithic age or New Stone Age came after Mesolithic age. Beginning of agriculture. In Neolithic age, men changed from a food gatherer to a food producer. Agriculture was the biggest discovery of this period. Wheat and barley were the first cereals grown in many Neolithic sites. Sickles have been found which might have been used for harvesting the crops. See children, beginning of agriculture. Agriculture meant that man's life became more settled in Neolithic age. The places where men settled down developed into villages. Men started living in mud houses, Near his fields, division of labor started. Men took care of agriculture, hunting, and making of weapons, whereas women looked after the house and the children. Children, turn the page. Men of Neolithic age began to tame mild-natured animals. Among the domesticated animals, the dog, goat, cattle, pig, sheep, horse, and donkey were the most important. Goats and cattle provided milk, sheep provided wool. The horse and the donkey were tamed for carrying load. Growing crops assured man of a continuous supply of food. The rearing of animals assured him of a continuous supply of meat, milk, and hides. Next is their polished tools. Neolithic men used larger stones to make tools. The Neolithic tools were much sharper than the ones used in the Mesolithic period. The tools of Neolithic period were designed to suit the need to grow crops on a large scale. Hence, axes for clearing forests and better tools for digging and sickles for harvesting were made. Men also made spindles and home needles. Okay, children, up to here you read and underline the important things and write down in the copy and learn. The rest part of this chapter we will discuss in my next video. Till then, thank you.